Mr. Jones is in the house. Mr. Jones is in the house. We about to turn it out. We about to turn it out. Mr. Jones is in the place. Mr. Jones is in the place. Ain't got no time to waste. Ain't got no time to waste. Mr. Hi, I'm Mr. Jones from Mr. Jones is in the house. I'm an educator, I'm an administrator, and I'm also a rapper. And lastly, I'm the creator of my own talk show and television show, Mr. Jones is in the house. Now, today, we're going to talk about the message of the week. Let me go get my mailbox. This is a special mailbox. This is Mr. Jones's mailbox, and today I'm going to open up the mailbox and it's going to tell me this week's message of the week. Are you ready? Let's count it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You ready? Believe in yourself. Thank you, mailbox. Today's message of the week is believe in yourself. Let's explore that a little bit deeper. Do you believe in yourself? Let's find out. What does it mean to believe in yourself? I want to listen to you. Okay, all right. Yeah, believe in yourself means to think that you can do it, yes. But it doesn't really mean to think that you can do something. It means to know that you can do something. For example, this note here says, love lives here. In order for me to really believe that love lives here, I need to spread love throughout my show and spread love when I'm spending time with my family. Does that make sense? So, the message is believe in yourself. Do you believe in yourself? Because I believe in you. Believing in yourself means to have the idea that you can do anything you put your mind to. So to explore this more, I'm going to introduce you to MTC, my Magical Thinking Chalkboard. He's going to look up some strategies that you can do in order to believe in yourself. So without further ado, let's say the magic words. The magic words are MTC and the place to be. Look up some strategies to help me believe in myself. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Mr. Jones? MTC here. First of all, I want to thank you. Thank you for reactivating me. You know, when you don't activate me, I'm actually searching the World Wide Web for fun activities and fun strategies as well as fun facts for kids all over the world. So thank you, Mr. Jones, for reactivating me with those magical words. When I hear NTC and the place to be, I get so happy and overthrilled by the fact that I am helping boys and girls. Oh, Mr. Jones, say no more. I'm ready. Hey, boys and girls and boys, I'm MTC, your Magical Thinking Chalkboard. Today, I'm going to teach you 3 magical ways to build your self-confidence and believe in yourself. So tip number 1, see it before you do it. Close your eyes just for a moment. Can you imagine yourself reading a book? Can you picture yourself scoring a goal? Can you see yourself singing, dancing, drawing, or getting an A on your spelling test? It's called visualization. Let's say it together. Visualization. When you imagine yourself succeeding, your brain starts believing that you can do it. So every day say, I can do it. I believe in myself. So open your eyes and say this. I can do it. I believe in myself. Fantastic. So that's tip number 1. Visualization. You have to see it before you do it. Tip number 2. Practice, practice, practice. Do you know nobody becomes great overnight? You have to practice. Everybody that's great at something had to practice before they became great. Basketball players practice. Doctors study. Teachers learn every day. Artists keep drawing. Readers keep reading. So the more you practice, the more you improve. Remember, practice doesn't make you perfect. It makes you better. So don't give up just because something is hard. Keep trying. And tip number 3, keep growing every day.
Oh, you know what? I grow every day. Yesterday I was 5'6", and today I'm 5'6.5". So people grow every day.
Mr. Jones, I'm giving them my last tip.
Oh, I'm sorry, MTC. You didn't finish? I'm sorry. Continue with tip number 3.
Tip number 3, keep growing every day. Every mistake is a chance to learn something new. If something doesn't work the first time, try again. And if you fall down, get back up. Ask questions. Listen to your teacher. Learn from your family. Celebrate every little improvement because every step forward is a victory. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. 1. Visualize your success. Step 2. Practice and keep learning. And step 3. Never stop growing and improving. And if you use these 3 things every day, your confidence will grow bigger and bigger. Thank you, Mr. Jones, for the opportunity to teach kids about how to build their self-confidence. So, boys and girls, remember, you are smart, you are kind, you are brave, you are unique, and most importantly, believe in yourself because you can do amazing things. Say it together. Say, I believe in myself because I can do amazing things. Thank you, Mr. Jones, and until next time, MTC in the place to be is here to help you each and every day. Bye, Mr. Jones, and bye, boys and girls. Remember, you are amazing. And also remember Mr. Jones's catchphrase, nothing's impossible. All things are possible when you believe in yourself.
Wow, that was a lot of information. Thank you, MTC. If you don't remember anything else that MTC said, just remember that if you put your mind to it, you can do it. If I put my mind to it, I can do it. If you believe it in your head and you believe it in your heart, you can achieve it. When no one else believes in you, remember, I believe in you. When nobody else believes in you, I believe in you. And you need to believe in yourself. If your mind can conceive it and your heart can believe it, you can achieve it. You can do anything you put your mind to. All you need to do is have the mindset to believe that you can do it. If you believe it, you can achieve it. So, that was it for this episode of Mr. Jones is in the House. Join me next time when we talk about mistakes, because everybody makes mistakes. So next week's message of the week will be, everybody makes mistakes. It's not about the mistake, it's about learning from the mistake. So until next time, remember, Mr. Jones loves you, Mr. Jones cares for you, and remember that you need to learn the DARE affirmations. Until next time, remember, all things are possible when you believe in yourself. See you, boys and girls. I'll see you next week. Bye. And remember, love lives here. And don't let anybody steal your joy. Bye. Mr. Jones is in the house. 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 We about to turn it out. We about to turn it out. Mr. Jones is in the place. Mr. Jones is in the place. Mr. Jones is in the place.